This is the Hardinge AHC production lathe.
Start with the electrics, running 480 volts presently. It's all standard switchgear. Books are down low. We've got parts book in there, schematic drawings, and maintenance books. Pump, we can run that when we come around the front. Some miscellaneous tooling, a lot more up in the front cabinet, Pete. Threading attachment. This whole business, good operator from up front. DC motor for the cross slide, longitudinal, which all works off of this package here. You can fire that up in a moment. Tooling cabinet, got 4 or 5 different boxes of collets, what have you in there. It's got a lot of good stuff in there. And I'll leave this one open because we're going to fire up the spindle right away. And as I hit the control lever, you can kind of watch that go up and down and hear it and see it. It's not really too loud until we hit the higher speeds. I'll turn it on first. That was the brake we heard, so brake on, brake off. I didn't really check to see how tight it is. We could probably look right now and see. Low speed. Take it in 1, forward, and off. You can kind of see it. That's the brake coming on. Again, forward, and this controller is for speeds 1 and 2, and that's just for speed 3. I'll raise it and lower it a little bit, and kind of watch it. We're speeding up. Come back down. I'll go to 2. Turning hot. Down. Stop. And we'll go to 3, highest speed. Same thing, now we move over to this one, on this pop. Forward. That might help. There we go. Let's pull up. And off. We're going to reverse once at the same speed, around 1,000. Back down to 1, low speed, forward, right there, and, oh wait, we can pick up the coolant pump right away, listen to that, there's coolant, nothing in there, well yes, yes there is, there's something in there, that stays off, okay, back to low forward, and we should have the traverse unit now for that, we can bring this over a little bit, see if we're on here. Just working off of this pot here. The dial's down good. Or this one here, of course. They're slow. Fast. Cut that one off. And we go the other way. Right. Go in. Same way. Speed it up. Because I think this thing stops with the spindle. Let me see. Yeah, that shuts it off, that's what I thought. So you have to have the spindle running to run this box. So this is all in pretty good shape. We got cross-side lock here. Both of the clutches are engaged here. Indexing is just what it is. I think you can flip this around like the old ones used to do. Yeah. Pick out your spot and just go in. And of course threading. Threading comes down and I can lay it on here. if I get this out of the way a little bit. There. That kind of spring loads on there. There's an air package in there, I think, and some switches. But if I just kind of, well, here, just to show you the movement, it's not frozen or anything. Kind of goes back and forth nicely, and then it lays on the lead screw. And if I just jog it and hold this down, it kind of, if I let off, it pops up and then rolls back the other way. I'm not sure. That's the extent of my knowledge on the lead screw, but it's intact insofar as tools in there, the dial settings are in there, everything looks okay. This guy here pushes and pulls a little coil switch inside there. You can hear the solenoid valve, hear it? See? So it kind of, I guess it just needs a little TLC, get it cleaned up a little bit. I said I don't know a lot about that one, but it doesn't seem like it's damaged in any way or form. Kind of see it. In fact, if I pull it out, Pete, you can get kind of a look at this whole section. That's the bearing surface, the roller bearings, ball bearings, see? So that just kind of floats real nice and back and forth there. So it looks like it's pretty good shape. And yeah, that's about it. Like I said, it's 480, bunch of tooling, and that's pretty much all of it. If you want to get a good look at the ways, I don't know, or the dovetail up here, I can bring it out a little bit more. Move the light. But it's in pretty good shape too.
Yeah.
It's not bad. So
Looks good.
sure. And that's the air package for the threading unit down here. Just so I don't know if we got it.
Got it
Yeah,
looking.
yeah. It's all intact. It's all hanging there. Sure. And the chuck, of course, 3-jaw, and we did that already. Yeah. So we're done there. That's pretty much all of it.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.